Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall a system update or uninstall a application software on your mobile phone, especially if you have Infinix Hot 8. Let's start. So you can go to the settings. Now you can try to uninstall the system update. So you can try to scroll down and search for the application management. Here we go. Then you can tap on app list. Next you can tap two dots or three dots at the top of your screen. Let's wait the process here. A lot of app already installed on my Android phone. So again, you can tap three dots, tap show show system app. You can scroll down and try to find the system. Here, system launcher, you can tap it and try to force stop and disable first. Again, after that you can clear cache, even consider to clear the data, and now your system launcher will be in default, not the update one. And for software updates, you can try to tap on software update. You can disable and force stop. Again, you can clear cache and clear data, both of software update. If you have two versions here, clear cache, clear data, and force stop. Next, you can try to go to the Android system web view. Here you can tap three dot and uninstall the updates. After that, you can try to clear cache in the storage usage. And now let's go back. So if you want to uninstall software update, for example, all apps, all Google apps can uninstall the update. For example, the Google Chrome, you can hold the Chrome icon, tap app info and tap three dots. You can uninstall the updates from a Google Chrome. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.